How to report medical fraud. Dealing with medical fraud issues? Medical fraud, including billing errors, unnecessary treatments, or false insurance claims, can financially and emotionally burden patients. Whether you're wondering how to report medical billing fraud, Medicare fraud, or how to address healthcare fraud complaints, taking action is essential to seek accountability and warn others. At DisputeVoice.com, we empower victims to share verified stories and protect their rights. This guide explains how to report medical fraud, covering steps to file complaints with healthcare regulators or consumer agencies, and share your experience ethically. Medical fraud encompasses a range of deceptive practices by healthcare providers, including upcoding, billing for more expensive services than those actually provided; phantom billing, charging for services never rendered; unnecessary healthcare, performing unwarranted tests or surgeries to increase billing; kickbacks, receiving compensation for patient referrals, which may involve drug fraud or pharmaceutical fraud; misrepresentation, falsifying diagnoses to justify tests, surgeries, or prescriptions. These fraudulent activities inflate healthcare costs and can also endanger patient health. Step 1. Carefully document your issue. Gathering evidence is crucial when reporting medical fraud. Medical records, billing statements, treatment plans, and EOB, explanation of benefits documents, especially in cases of Medicare fraud. Financial documentation, receipts, credit card charges, or insurance claim summaries, particularly related to drug fraud or telemarketing fraud. Communication logs, including emails, texts, or letters with the healthcare provider or billing office. Witness statements, statements from other patients or medical staff who witnessed or experienced similar issues. Step 2. Attempt resolution directly. Before escalating, contact the healthcare provider or billing department in writing, clearly explain the problem, reference billing records, and set a deadline for resolution, for example, 7 to 14 days. Save all correspondence. Step 3. Report to proper regulatory agencies. If your issue remains unresolved, file complaints with healthcare oversight bodies such as a state medical board. File a formal complaint if a licensed practitioner is involved. Insurance fraud units. Report fraudulent billing to your insurance provider's anti-fraud unit. Medicare, Medicaid fraud units. File complaints through CMS, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or the Office of Inspector General, OIG. Step 4. File a complaint with consumer protection agencies. For broader issues, report medical billing fraud to consumer protection agencies. Better Business Bureau, BBB. Report fraud involving healthcare clinics or billing companies. Federal Trade Commission, FTC. File complaints about deceptive billing practices. State Attorney General. Report healthcare scams, including telemarketing fraud or insurance fraud, impacting public welfare. Step 5. Legal action. If agencies or consumer protection bodies do not resolve the issue, consider legal action. Small claims court. For disputes under state-specific limits, for example, $5,000 to $10,000. Medical malpractice attorney. Consult for significant financial loss or harm caused by fraudulent treatments. Class action lawsuit. If multiple patients are affected, consider a collective legal effort. Step 6. Share your verified story on DisputeVoice.com, where it will be professionally edited, published, and optimized to rank highly in search engine results, ensuring it can be easily found by readers conducting thorough research before making important decisions. Sharing your experience publicly can help warn others and promote accountability. Use our secure form to share your story, including evidence and verified details on disputevoice.com. First, see if your dispute story meets our minimum requirements for publication. This initial checklist is on our site and is 100% free for everyone. Have you been wondering, how do I share my scam story and help others avoid my fate? How can I help protect others from falling victim? Can I publicly name someone who hasn't paid me? Take the first step now by answering our quick 5-question survey to see if your story meets our minimum requirements. Go to disputevoice.com and see this section on our homepage. Click the blue button. It will take you to the survey. Answer the 5 questions by checking the circles. You'll know if your story qualifies immediately. You will remain completely anonymous. You can do this before deciding if you'll want to spend any money for our services. Knowing how to report medical fraud empowers you to protect yourself and others. At disputevoice.com, we provide a platform to share verified stories ethically and responsibly. Visit disputevoice.com to share your experience and help others navigate similar challenges. Disputevoice.com is a platform for individuals to share their personal experiences and supporting evidence in the interest of public accountability. All statements are the sole responsibility of the authors. We do not independently verify claims and do not assert wrongdoing. Parties named in any story are welcome to respond or dispute published information. Take action today. You'll be glad that you did. Thank you for watching.